Yes. Good.
We going?
Yeah.
Okay. So 10.8 part 2, we're almost done with the notes for unit 10. Make sure you utilize these notes to do your homework. It's due tomorrow for class. So, factoring still. Now this leading coefficient is greater than 1. So this goes back to 10.3. Where we use the Kung Fu method. So once again, just for sake of time, I'm not going to go through the Kung Fu method. You should know it by now. So when we do this, let's go. Oh no, whoa, I'm silly here. 6, 4, and 16. Caught myself there. I have a GCF. I can pull a 2 out. Okay, that goes back to 10.1. Always check your trinomial to see if you can pull some out first, which you can. If I do that, we'll have 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Now I can do the Kung Fu method to factor this. Once again, sake of time, I'm not going to do it right now. So I'll just do the factorization of it. X plus 2 and 3x minus 4. Alright, so now this is completely factored. We have to solve for x. Now if you look at this, this is x plus 2. There's no number in front of x. So we can just take the opposite. We know that right here x equals negative 2. But right here we do have a number in front of the x. So we can't just take the opposite. We have to actually solve this one. So we can do 3x minus 4 equals 0. Opposite actions will move stuff from one side of the equation to the other. I'm going to add 4. You get 3x equals 4. And then solve for x by the opposite action, which would be divided by 3. So we now know that x equals 4/3. And that would be it. So x equals negative 2, x equals 4/3. We don't have to worry about that 2 out there. And the next one, example 5, x squared minus 81x equals 0. Once again, try to always factor some out first, which we can. There's an x in both spots. So pull an x out front, I'm left with x minus 81 equals 0, which makes this really easy. I've actually already factored there. We know that one of the x's is going to be 0. And that this one, x minus 81, you take the opposite, so it's going to be x equals positive 81. That was really simple. Example 6. This one. Once again, we want our equations to equal 0, so we're going to subtract 49 here. So we get x squared minus 49 equals 0. And lo and behold here, we go to 10.5 now, or 10.4. The difference of squares. This 49 is a perfect square, so I'll break this down into parentheses. X plus 7, x minus 7. Right? And then you take the opposites here to get the answer, so we know that x equals negative 7 and a positive 7 for both of those. And that's your notes.